Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll be doing setup, network and HTTP load balancer. For this, log in with your credentials and copy your username and password for the cloud console. Your cloud console is now ready. Select your region and check the checkbox and click on agree and continue. On the top right corner, open the cloud shell. Copy the command from the lab instructions and paste in the cloud shell. If your account is not showing and you encountered same problem, copy the gcloud config set project and paste it in the cloud shell. Then copy your project id from the lab instruction and paste it. Your project id is now showing in yellow. Copy the command and paste in the Google Cloud Shell. Copy the next command and repeat the same. These commands will take some time to be executed, so be patient. Now copy the command from the lab instruction. Paste it in Cloud Shell, and for the IP address you can see internal IP and external IP. Copy the external IP and paste it in the shell. Be sure to check your lab progress. Now copy and paste the next given set of commands. Now copy the command and paste it in shell. For the IP address, copy the IP showing in the above command and complete the rest. You can stop it by simply pressing Ctrl plus C. Now paste the next set of commands to be executed. To complete the last task, we have to do another task, which is task 6. You can see a 5 points is still left on the right side. Go to navigation menu, network services, load balancer. So we will go to network services and load balancing. You can see the deployment. Click on the deployment. Copy the IP port and paste it in a new tab with the prefix of HTTP. Now check your progress once again. Bingo. So congratulations guys for completing another lab. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends, and thank you for showing your love. See you in next video. Thank you.